Unplug this ignition coil. Okay, the spark plug is in this hole. Find a socket tool. Very cheap. $2. Plug it in here. Rotate counterclockwise. Look! It's the spark plug. Oh my god, it's aged like an antique. In this case, don't rush to replace it, so as not to waste money in vain. Find a small cup. Then go to the kitchen and get out the toilet cleaning spirit. Pour the toilet cleaning liquid into the cup. Okay, we soak this spark plug in this toilet cleaner. Wait 5 minutes. Okay, the time has come. Let's take it out. Wipe it with a paper towel.